Is MicroStrategy a good Bitcoin proxy? Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about whether or not MicroStrategy is a Bitcoin proxy. MicroStrategy is a business intelligence software company that has made a big bet on Bitcoin. In 2020, MicroStrategy began buying Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset. As of today, MicroStrategy is the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, with over 140,000 coins. What is a Bitcoin proxy? A Bitcoin proxy is an investment vehicle that provides exposure to Bitcoin without having to directly buy and hold the cryptocurrency. This could be something like a Bitcoin ETF, a Bitcoin investment trust, or even a company that holds a large amount of Bitcoin in its treasury. Is MicroStrategy a Bitcoin proxy? In many ways, MicroStrategy can be seen as a Bitcoin proxy. The company's stock price is closely correlated with the price of Bitcoin, and many investors buy MicroStrategy stock as a way to gain exposure to Bitcoin. However, there are also some important differences between MicroStrategy and a traditional Bitcoin proxy. For example, MicroStrategy is a real company with a business model outside of Bitcoin. The company also has a lot of debt, which could put its Bitcoin holdings at risk if the company were to go bankrupt. Additionally, MicroStrategy's CEO, Michael Saylor, is a vocal advocate for Bitcoin. He has said that he believes Bitcoin is the future of money and that it is the best way to store value over the long term. Saylor's views have helped to attract investors to MicroStrategy who are looking for a way to bet on Bitcoin without having to directly buy and hold the cryptocurrency. Why has MicroStrategy invested so heavily in Bitcoin? MicroStrategy has invested heavily in Bitcoin because Michael Saylor believes that it is the best way to preserve the company's wealth over the long term. Saylor has said that he believes Bitcoin is a digital gold and that it is inflation resistant. He has also said that he believes Bitcoin will eventually become the global reserve currency. The risks and rewards of investing in MicroStrategy as a way to gain exposure to Bitcoin. There are both risks and rewards to investing in MicroStrategy as a way to gain exposure to Bitcoin. On the one hand, MicroStrategy is a real company with a business model outside of Bitcoin. This means that investors are not solely reliant on the price of Bitcoin to generate returns. Additionally, MicroStrategy is led by a strong management team with a proven track record. On the other hand, MicroStrategy has a lot of debt. This means that the company's financial health is more vulnerable to economic downturns. Additionally, MicroStrategy's stock price is closely correlated with the price of Bitcoin. This means that investors in MicroStrategy stock are exposed to the same volatility as Bitcoin investors. Other companies that are investing in Bitcoin and how they compare to MicroStrategy. There are a number of other companies that are investing in Bitcoin, including Tesla, Square, and Galaxy Digital. These companies have all invested in Bitcoin for different reasons. Tesla has invested in Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset. Square has invested in Bitcoin to support its Bitcoin payment processing business. Galaxy Digital is a financial services company that focuses on the digital asset market. MicroStrategy compares to these companies in that it is a publicly traded company that is investing heavily in Bitcoin. However, MicroStrategy is unique in that it is the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin and its CEO is a vocal advocate for the cryptocurrency. The future of MicroStrategy and its role in the Bitcoin ecosystem. MicroStrategy is well positioned to benefit from the growth of the Bitcoin ecosystem. The company has a large holding of Bitcoin, and it is led by a strong management team. MicroStrategy could play a leading role in the Bitcoin ecosystem by helping to bring Bitcoin to institutional investors. The company could also help to develop new Bitcoin products and services. Some text goes here. So, is MicroStrategy a Bitcoin proxy? It depends on how you define the term. MicroStrategy provides exposure to Bitcoin, and its stock price is closely correlated with the price of Bitcoin. However, MicroStrategy is also a real company with a business model outside of Bitcoin and a significant amount of debt. Ultimately, whether or not MicroStrategy is a good investment for you depends on your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are looking for a way to gain exposure to Bitcoin without having to directly buy and hold the cryptocurrency, then MicroStrategy may be a good option.